To multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, this is the process. Our question is going to be 423 times 6. So just like with 2 digits, we start over here with these two numbers, and we ask ourselves, what is 3 times 6? 3 times 6 equals 18. So we could write it down here, but you might remember that we only write the 8 down here. We don't want to write this 1. We actually have to bring the 1 up on top of that next column there above the 2. Our next step is 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12, but we have to remember to add in this 1 that we brought over from our last step. So 12 plus 1 is 13, and just like before, we don't want to write 13 in our answer, we just want to write the 3. And the 1 from the tens column of 13 we have to bring up just like before on top of the next number, 4. Our next step is to do 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals 24, and then just like before, we add this 1 to 24, and we get 25. Because that was our last step of multiplication, we could write 25 down here, and it looks like our answer for 423 times 6 is 2,538. Let's try another example. 147 times 4. Just like before, we start here. 7 times 4, that's 28. So the 8 I will put down on my answer. The 2 goes up above the next column. The next step is 4 times 4. That makes 16. And then we have to remember to add in that 2. So 16 plus 2 is 18. We'll put the 8 down here, but the 1 has to go above the next column there. And lastly, 1 times 4 is 4. And if we add in this 1, we get 5. And that goes in our answer. And we're all done.